Problem 117 has taken a look at a geometric series. And a few things we need to take a look at here. First of all, he starts with 25 miles, so that's our first term. He is then going 5% less each day. So that's why we know it's geometric, because it's based off a percentage from the previous term. So that means the next term would be 25 times 0.95, that'd be our multiplier. And the next term would be 25 times 0.95 squared, and so on. It also says that if he walks forever, and if that means that we do not have an endpoint, this is going to go to infinity. That tells us we are dealing with an infinite geometric series, and what we learned in lesson 10.2.2 is that when our multiplier is between 0 and 1, for an infinite series, there is a stopping point. There is a time when he will not go any further distance. So it's not like he's going to walk for an infinite number of miles. So our formula for the sum for a geometric series was the opposite of the first term plus, and then we went and did the last term So last term times a multiplier would be minus 1, but then times a multiplier again would just be to the n, divided by multiplier minus 1. Now, when it's an infinite series and our multiplier is less than 1, this ends up equaling 0. We start putting in large values of n, a couple hundred, thousand, million, that ends up being 0. So as n goes to infinity, that part becomes 0, which means that all of this equals 0. So then our equation is just negative 25 divided by a negative 0.05. And our answer then is going to just be dividing those numbers. So the hiker would walk 500 miles. There we go.